Okay, for example 5, the area of a circle is 25 square meters. Find the radius of the circle. Now, when I ask you for the area formula of a circle, I usually get the answer pi r squared, but the formula actually is area equals pi r squared. There's two variables in that equation. There's the area and the radius. Typically, you get the radius, so you just have to evaluate pi r squared. But in this case, they tell us the area is 25 square meters. So they're telling me what the area is, not what the radius is. So if I substitute in 25 where a goes, pi is 3.14, r squared is what I don't know. So the next thing I need to do is I need to figure out what r squared equals. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3.14. What that's going to leave me with is r squared. And I use a calculator to evaluate that. So if I grab a calculator here and type in 25 divided by 3.14 equals, my calculator says 7.961783439. I'm going to go 4 decimal places, so about 7.9618. That's what r squared equals. Now, my job is to find the radius, so if r squared equals that number, r has to equal the square root of that number. And once again, that's a number I wouldn't know just right off the top of my head. So I'm going to use my calculator again. So I hit second, x squared. That gets me the square root key on my calculator. Most calculators work that way. If yours, if you can't figure out how yours works, come talk to me and I'll show you how yours works. 7.9618 and hit equals, and it says about 2.821, so on. So if I go a couple decimal places, r equals 2.82. The unit of length on the area was meters squared, or square meters. Radius is just a unit, so 2.82 meters. Now, if you wanted to verify the correctness of that answer, keep in mind, I approximated pi as 3.14. I approximated 25 divided by 3.14 to this. I approximated the square root to this. So I've done a lot of approximating here, so I won't get exactly 25 if I use 2.82 as a radius. But if I try this, 3.14, which is pi, times 2.82 squared, that should be very close to 25, and this comes out to 24.97. Based on the amount of approximation I did, that's a pretty good result, so that means that that answer should be correct.